Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, your go-to source for all things e-commerce and online business. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how to start dropshipping with AI. This is a game changer for anyone looking to break into the e-commerce world or take their existing business to the next level. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to enhance your current dropshipping business, AI can streamline your process and supercharge your profits. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, constantly optimizing your business for success. Let's get started. We'll break down the entire process step by step so you can get up and running in no time. First, let's understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you don't need to keep products in stock. This means you can run your business without the overhead costs of a traditional retail store. When a customer buys something from your online store, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for you to handle the product yourself, making it a hassle-free way to manage inventory. You never handle the product yourself. This model is perfect for those who want to focus on marketing and customer service rather than logistics. This model has low startup costs and can be managed from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling the world, you can run your dropshipping business with just a laptop and an internet connection. Now, why incorporate AI into your dropshipping business? The answer is simple: efficiency and scalability. AI tools can help with product research, customer service, marketing, and inventory management. These tools use advanced algorithms to analyze data and make decisions that would take a human much longer to process. By automating these processes, you save time, reduce errors, and make data-driven decisions. This allows you to focus on growing your business rather than getting bogged down in the details. Trust me, using AI can give you a significant edge over your competition. It's like having a team of experts working for you around the clock. Let's dive into market research, one of the most crucial aspects of dropshipping. AI tools like Jungle Scout can help you analyze trends and identify profitable products. These tools can scan millions of products and provide insights into what's selling and what's not. Enter product categories you're interested in and use AI algorithms to analyze sales data and customer reviews. This will give you a clear picture of what products are in demand. Identify high-demand products with low competition. This is the sweet spot for maximizing your profits. This data will guide your product selection and optimize your chances for profit. The more informed your decisions, the better your business will perform. Next, finding reliable suppliers is key to ensuring your business runs smoothly. AI-powered tools like Spocket or AutoDS can help you vet suppliers and manage your inventory. These platforms provide detailed information about suppliers, including ratings, reviews, and shipping times. Look for suppliers with high ratings and positive reviews to ensure quality and reliability. A good supplier can make or break your business, so choose wisely. Now, let's set up your online store. This is where your business comes to life. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, which have user-friendly interfaces and are perfect for dropshipping. These platforms offer a range of customizable templates to help you create a professional-looking store. AI-generated product descriptions, tools like Copy.ai or WriteSonic, can assist you in writing eye-catching descriptions that convert. These tools use natural language processing to create compelling copy that resonates with your audience. Design assistance. Canva or Looka can use AI to help create a stunning logo and visual branding for your store. A strong brand identity can set you apart from the competition and build customer trust. SEO optimization. Use AI tools like Surfer SEO to ensure your product pages rank well on search engines. This will drive organic traffic to your store, increasing your chances of making sales. All set up? Great, now let's get some customers. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business, and AI can make it more effective. AI can play a massive role in your marketing strategy. From social media ads to email campaigns, AI can help you reach your target audience more efficiently. Social media ads. Tools like AdEspresso can optimize your Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns using AI. These tools analyze user behavior to create highly targeted ads that convert. Email marketing. Services like MailChimp or Klaviyo can segment your audience and personalize emails based on customer behavior. Personalized emails have higher open rates and can significantly boost your sales. Chatbots. Implement AI chatbots on your site for 24/7 customer service. These chatbots can handle a variety of tasks, from answering FAQs to processing orders. They can answer FAQs, process orders, and even collect leads. This ensures that your customers always have a positive experience, no matter what time of day it is. Finally, let's talk about automation and analytics. These are crucial for scaling your business. Use tools like Zapier to connect your apps and automate repetitive tasks. This can save you hours of work each week, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your business. For analytics, platforms like Google Analytics can provide data on your store's performance, and AI tools can help interpret that data to recommend actionable insights. This will help you make informed decisions and continuously improve your business. Regularly monitor your metrics to see what's working and what needs improvement. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and keep your business growing. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to start dropshipping with AI. A straightforward guide on how to start dropshipping with AI. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and adaptation. The e-commerce landscape is always changing, and staying updated with the latest tools and strategies is crucial. Remember, the key to success is continuous learning and adaptation. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Happy dropshipping! Extended content. To stay ahead in the dropshipping game, it's essential to keep up with the latest trends and updates in the e-commerce industry. Follow reputable e-commerce blogs and forums to stay informed. Attend webinars and online conferences. These events are great opportunities to learn from industry experts and network with other dropshippers. Utilize mobile apps to manage your business on the go. Apps like Shopify, Oberlo, and others have mobile versions that allow you to handle orders, track shipments, and communicate with customers from your smartphone. Build a strong social media presence. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are excellent for showcasing your products and engaging with your audience. Use AI tools to schedule posts and analyze engagement metrics. Consider influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers can help you reach a larger audience and build credibility for your brand. Use AI tools to identify influencers who align with your brand values and have a genuine following. Create engaging video content. Videos are a powerful way to showcase your products and connect with your audience. Use AI tools to edit videos and add captions for better accessibility. Conduct regular competitor analysis. Use AI tools to monitor your competitors' websites, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns. This will help you stay competitive and identify opportunities for improvement. Collect and analyze customer feedback. Use AI tools to gather insight from customer reviews and feedback. This will help you understand your customers' needs and improve your products and services. Implement a customer loyalty program. Reward your repeat customers with discounts, special offers, and exclusive access to new products. Use AI tools to manage and personalize your loyalty program. Manage your finances effectively. Use AI-powered financial management tools to track your expenses, manage cash flow, and forecast future revenue. This will help you make informed financial decisions and ensure the sustainability of your business. Consider offering subscription services. Subscription boxes are a popular business model that can provide a steady stream of recurring revenue. Use AI tools to manage subscriptions and personalize the customer experience. Use project management tools to stay organized and collaborate with your team. Tools like Trello, Asana, and Monday.com can help you manage tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Implement a customer referral program. Encourage your satisfied customers to refer their friends and family to your store. Use AI tools to track referrals and reward your customers for their loyalty. Use a customer relationship management (CRM) tool to manage your customer interactions and data. AI-powered CRM tools can help you segment your audience, personalize communication, and improve customer retention. Set up retargeting campaigns to re-engage visitors who have left your site without making a purchase. Use AI tools to create personalized retargeting ads that remind potential customers of the products they viewed. Optimize your shipping process. Use AI-powered shipping management tools to find the best shipping rates, track shipments, and provide real-time updates to your customers. Implement a hassle-free returns management system. Use AI tools to streamline the returns process, making it easy for customers to return products and for you to manage returns efficiently. Protect your business from fraud. Use AI-powered fraud detection tools to identify and prevent fraudulent transactions, ensuring the security of your business and your customers. Set up a customer support ticketing system to manage customer inquiries and issues. Use AI tools to prioritize and route tickets to the appropriate team members for quick resolution. Leverage business intelligence tools to gain deeper insights into your business performance. AI-powered BI tools can help you analyze data, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Use a content management system, CMS, to manage your website content. AI-powered CMS tools can help you create, edit, and publish content more efficiently, ensuring your site is always up to date. Optimize your store for voice search. With the increasing use of voice assistants, it's important to ensure your products are easily discoverable through voice search. Use AI tools to optimize your product listings for voice queries. Ensure your store is mobile-friendly. Use AI tools to optimize your website for mobile devices, providing a seamless shopping experience for customers on the go. Use heat map tools to analyze user behavior on your website. AI-powered heat maps can show you where visitors are clicking, scrolling, and spending the most time, helping you optimize your site layout and design. Implement a product recommendation engine to provide personalized product suggestions to your customers. AI-powered recommendation engines can analyze customer behavior and preferences to suggest products they are likely to buy. Leverage social proof to build trust with your customers. Use AI tools to display customer reviews, ratings, and testimonials on your product pages, encouraging new customers to make a purchase. Use dynamic pricing tools to optimize your pricing strategy. AI-powered dynamic pricing tools can analyze market conditions, competitor prices, and customer demand to adjust your prices in real time, maximizing your profits. Segment your audience for more targeted marketing. Use AI tools to divide your customers into segments based on their behavior, preferences, and demographics, allowing you to create personalized marketing campaigns. Create an effective sales funnel to guide your customers through the buying process. Use AI tools to optimize each stage of the funnel, from awareness to conversion, ensuring a smooth and efficient customer journey. Optimize your conversion rate to increase sales. Use AI-powered conversion rate optimization, CRO tools, to test different elements of your website, such as headlines, images, and call-to-action buttons, to see what works best. Map out your customer journey to understand how customers interact with your brand. Use AI tools to visualize the customer journey and identify touch points where you can improve the customer experience. Use predictive analytics to forecast future trends and customer behavior.